Hello friend, good morning. I'm going to present you my chatbot and local CoPilot agent application with local LLM, RAG, LangChain and NVIDIA Guardrail. I have developed a chatbot applications and that local CoPilot agent that designed for informative and engaging conversation. Here's a breakdown of its key components. Development environment, I have used an operating system Windows 10, and the hardware it is purely CPUs, and I don't have any NVIDIA GPU installed, or I have not used anything, but later definitely for commercial purposes or that must production versions we can use that for further improvement. Language model, I have used the local LLM language model. I have used the Google Flan 5 small using a CP. Also, I have used that Hugging Face database. You have leveraged, there are so many small data sets. So for the demo purpose, I have used one small Wikipedia data sets to train with the RAG. I've used the LangChain framework. If you're using LangChain, it likely facilitates data processing, training pipeline, and from your LLM and streamline with the Guardrail. And yeah, you can use that NVIDIA Nemo Guardrail library, while Guardrail is typically used for the NVIDIA GPUs. So I do not have for this demo, I have skip on that. And this is a database agnostic. So this chatbot can be trained on various databases, allowing you to customize its response based on your specific domain, general knowledge and requirement base. And the initial training with a small Wikipedia dataset provided a solid foundation for general knowledge and information retrieval. High accuracy, you have achieved impressive accuracy in with your customized data, and everything is in local, so everything privacy security in your hand. Even you can use it in the cloud as well. So that good quality response, the chatbot delivers informative and well-structured answer as well, and the fine-tuning dataset. So dataset has been fine-tuned with a enhancement for that chatbot experience. Active learning is also there. Thank you. So I am going to use the demo. So you can see this is I have also created a front end with that bootstrap, that chatbot front end, which is actually connected with my Jupyter notebook is running here. And you can see here that Jupyter notebook is running. So it did I because the Jupyter notebook itself is a server, so I had to run with the two different thread. And at the end I also created one fast API based server, REST API server, so that I can show you the demo with the front end. So everything is ready. You can use my code and you can customize, you can run on local even with the CPU as I run also, or you can use that NVIDIA GPU as well. So let me start. So you can see that already I have asked some questions. Can you explain the process? Because I have been trained with the dataset is mostly the generalized dataset. So you can ask this kind of questions. So like that, I am again asking as one that how the photosynthesis happen. And now I am sending the question to my chatbot agent. The photosynthesis occurs. If you have that, say like that, some of the specific type of questions I have, you can see we already used that, describe that photosynthesis in the plants, or that specific type of questions like a the secondary school student. So you can get that answer very correctly. It is taking little bit few milliseconds because the two thread is running, but you can see that I have processed from, so it will respond you back with that great knowledge. Thank you very much.